Today's topic on chapter 2, respiration, and we'll start with 2.1, human respiratory system.
Human respiratory system. Breathing is the process of inhaling and exhaling air by the lungs. The system in the body that helps us to breathe is known as the human respiratory system.
Okay, can we go and do some exercise now?
Sure.
Let's go.
Okay, let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11.
Why are you breathing so heavily, Amber?
Because the human respiratory system functions to supply oxygen and remove carbon dioxide from the body cells.
Oh, I see. So the breathing mechanism involves inhaling and exhaling. Did you know that?
No, I did not know that. Thank you for telling me.
Okay, let me tell you. First, the air moves through the nostrils, then to the nasal cavity, then to the pharynx, to the larynx, to the trachea, the bronchus, the bronchial, and finally the alveolus. Did you get that?
Yes. And I also need to tell you some science info.
Okay.
Most people take breathing for granted to the extent of not realizing that they are breathing right now. Are you breathing? In this active world, the correct technique of breathing plays an important role to ensure the physical and mental health of humans. Correct breathing technique will improve performance during exercises or sports events such as weightlifting.
Oh, now I understand. Okay, I think we had enough. I'm sweating, aren't you?
No.
Wow, you're so tough. Inhalation is when the intercostal muscle contracts and pull the rib cage upwards and outwards, as shown in the diagram. Diaphragm muscles contract and pull the diaphragm to descend and become flat. Movement of the rib cage and diaphragm make the thoracic cavity bigger and cause air pressure in the thoracic cavity to decrease. The higher air pressure outside forces the air to enter the lungs as shown in diagram B. When you exhale, intercostal muscle relax and the rib cage moves downwards and inwards as shown in the diagram. Diaphragm muscles relax and curve upwards. Movements of the rib cage and diaphragm make the thoracic cavity smaller and causes the air pressure in the thoracic cavity to increase. The higher air pressure in the lungs pushes the air out as shown in the diagram.